Welcome back to another day in the Big Brother house and another rant. So, this rant is about the mamas, okay? The mamas being Felicia and Sari. And first and foremost, I feel like by Jag calling them the mamas, it's just so disrespectful. I realize culturally that the elders in, like, say, Nigerian culture and Indian culture, they tend to call the elder women aunties, regardless if they are even related. They love aunties. And now it seems like these Gen Zs like to call any woman over 30 an auntie. So, but for real, like, don't call me auntie. I'm the auntie to 3 people. And honestly, they call me by my first name, which is weird and disrespectful, but hey, that's the life that we set up. But so the aunties were outside chatting, and it seems as though they have seen the light.
I think she's got it. I think she's got it.
They have finally seen the light. They have seen the errors of their ways in the house. But now it's not like they're folding, they're re-strategizing.
Who do we side with? Or do we try to figure out how to just stay neutral? And is that even possible?
I would have liked to snatch up Bowie Jane, but she too wishy-washy.
What you gotta say now, Crocodile Dundee, huh?
And you hear what she says? She wants to be with the strong people. She don't see us as strong.
Right.
So she don't really want to be with us.
No.
She want to bring us
stay with them.
so we could be at the bottom of grade 5 some with her, Matt, and Jag.
You want to play, bitch? Let's play.
Because Corey and them already got a 5 some with her, Matt, and Jag and them, but they see that's breaking up because they hear the talk about going after Corey and this one going after Cameron. So she know that ain't a real thing anymore.
None of this makes sense. None of it, anything that you ever say.
But she don't, if she wanted to be over here with us, I would fully accept her and be like, me, you, Bowie Jane. But she want to be with them and maybe pull us in.
Karma is a bitch, honey.
For numbers, she don't want to be with us like that.
They want us for 5. And then after 5.
And Corey don't want us for 4. Period. Unless they think they got Bowie Jane too. So both sides thinking if they pull us, it's 5 and 5.
They pull us, we have 5. The other side pulls us, we have 5.
Right.
We're the swing vote.
What'd you say?
The women.
And they all know it.
But so is Bowie Jane. Still. But she's the 5th on either side.
It was a horrible, tragic situation.
No, for Matt, Jag, and Blue, she's the 6th. For Corey and them, she'd be the 5th. Damn it.
But so the mamas are now realizing that, they're just numbers for each side. They're numbers for Matt and Jag and Bowie and Blue. And they're also numbers for Corey and America as well as Blue. So it's like they're just going to play both sides. And apparently they told them, oh, well, we were throwing competitions. Who believes that Felicia and Sari are throwing competitions? Corey, America, yeah, they're probably throwing competitions. Felicia, did you throw that competition when you guessed 49,359 minutes? I mean, I don't know if those exact minutes. I know it's 49,000 and something. Like, Felicia, you were in the Air Force, so clearly you should be able to do some basic math.
No, you are so dumb. You are really dumb.
I mean, 60 minutes in an hour times 24, whatever that sum is, times 7 days, and subtract a few numbers, and you would still be within range of how many hours Jared was back in the house. But she didn't get that. So, Felicia, I don't think you're throwing anything. And Sari was mad at herself because she said she could have gotten that OTEV. It wasn't hard to her. She messed up herself, but she said it wasn't hard. She said the climbing up wasn't hard, but she didn't win. So you didn't throw that competition either, Sari.
So watch what you say. Watch what the you say.
But they now know what they need to do. Is it too late for the mamas?
Bye, Felicia.
But here's something else that was funny. Was that, I believe it was Felicia, because it was off camera. I didn't see it. But she said, "This is your last day outside." And Cam was like, "My last day?"
Y'all, this will be your last time in the backyard.
What how good it was. He really did it. There.
You're gonna evict me?
Not bad. It's kind of hard to use. Because there's a sock.
Yeah. Are you shitting me? This is an awful way to tell someone. This is your last time in the backyard, motherfucker.
It's like, you totally just said, "Hey, we're voting you out." But he knew that. He knows he's going. And, the other funny thing that happened is that, and this happened a while ago, but he was talking about the relationship between Corey and America. Like, he didn't get it. Like, in what world does that work?
I will continue saying it, either in there or out here. I have no fucking idea how that's a thing. It is beyond the laws of physics. It does not make sense to me. But I am pulling for those kids. Every day I go, you know what? Please defy the odds. Please go against the grain and make this happen. I believe in the two of you. But it will never not astonish me.
In what world is that really a real thing, that America would see it for Corey? We've seen all the movies, if you grew up like me in the 80s, like Can't Buy Me Love, and I think they had a remake of Can't Buy Me Love where the nerd gets the hot chick. But for real, like, is America really the hot chick? She has a cute face, but I'm guessing that America was a late bloomer and she never really knew how pretty she was. So now she'll accept anybody like Corey.
I think you scored. How was it?
Like, Corey is not cute by anybody's standards.
Oh, no, she didn't.
Is it too late for the mamas? Is it too late for them to get back in the game and win? And here's another question. Is Bowie going to see the block next week, or is Bowie just going to have a win for getting out one of the biggest targets? I have a lot of questions. Also, will the house flip and actually send Sari out? Although I feel like CBS has rigged it for Sari, so maybe not. They maybe want Sari to stay in the game, but since Sari has been playing this monotone, I'm not really into this, I just want to go home and have sex with my husband game, since they got rid of Jared. That's my Jersey accent, because Sari, believe she may be 53, but she's still real hip hop, everybody, because she's from the golden age of hip hop. She mad cool, that's what she would say. That's what the East Coast is like. They say mad everything. This, mad that. But so I lost my train of thought. And so will they flip it on Sari at the last minute and vote her out because she's not really doing much for the ratings? Because I feel like that's what CBS is doing. They're putting people out according to ratings and according to their entertainment value. Mimi, she gave nothing. She got to go. Jared was hated, so he had to go. He was a PR problem, so Jared had to go. Cam, you've had how many chances? I think Cam must have pissed off somebody in production, because it's like, now you got to go, Cam. Because why not Corey? Why not put Corey on the block? More people want Corey out the house than Cam. But Cam was winning all the competitions, so perhaps. I guess my commenter who said I can't make up my damn mind was right. So drop it to the comments and tell me what you think. Like and subscribe.